Hi guys, this is Paul Extra Hyperactive. It's Friday, November 5th. It's around 6 a.m. Pacific time and Bitcoin is trading around 61,500. If you watched my video yesterday, we were talking about Bitcoin hanging out in this range for quite some time, and it's a very decisive time. I really thought that yesterday Bitcoin would make its mind going up or down, but as we can see, it's still hanging out in the same range. Even though it's Friday, we're going into the weekend, so hopefully it might go down a little bit, but right now we're still looking at anything between $61,000 to $62,000. If we look at the charts for what just happened between midnight and 6 a.m., we can see that Bitcoin went from 62,448 to 61,307. So it's still 6 a.m. so there is still time for Bitcoin to go a little bit down, maybe to low 61, and then maybe make its way back up to 61,500, or even maybe back to 62. But again, like I said, it's Friday. Bitcoin has been hanging out in this area for quite some time, and maybe it will start moving one way or another. I definitely hope as a bear that it will go back down, but remember, if Bitcoin has been hanging out in this area for some time, we can say by now that it's built a pretty solid support in this region. 60,000 and a half, $62,000. So maybe it's making its mind going back to to $65,000. So if we again look at the monthly chart, right? So we went from almost $67,000 down to the low 60s. We've been hanging out there for what? Almost more than 10 days, almost 2 weeks now. So there is a chance for Bitcoin to go back and test this $66,000, because again we can see this kind of valley right here. So there is a chance for Bitcoin to go back up to 66 and then maybe go down and drop. Or if we look from the point of a bear, from bear's point of view, Bitcoin went up, hanging out here. It's built this big ramp right here, and maybe it's ready to come down to at least mid 50s. All right, so we can see that right here around 55, 53, 54. It's good support. But again, we will see today. As for trading, I entered a couple small trades, as I told you yesterday, here and here. Nothing big, just a couple $100 here and there, just playing around, nothing serious. But as we can see right now, it's started going back up. So I would wait for Bitcoin to go at least down to low 61 and then decide for yourself whether you want to place bets. Again, remember, we're basically gambling here, right? But just be careful, especially if you're trading small amounts, anything between a few hundred to between $2,000, right? Just do your daily cost average, a couple $100 here, couple $100 there, take a small profit, close your trades. Or if you believe it's gonna go back up to 66, 65, then definitely play along. So anyway, for more details, more signals, whenever I buy, whenever I sell, make sure you subscribe to my free newsletter and ask to join our secret Telegram group. Thank you for watching, and you have a great day.